Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best cat food for indoor cats. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Taste of the Wild Rocky Mountain Feline recipe. Unlike cats who have the capability to move outdoor and hunt and devour grasses, indoor cats need an excellent cat food on the way to satisfy all their desires and cravings. That's where the Rocky Mountain Feline recipe from Taste of the Wild comes in. Rich in protein, wholesome fats and fiber, this kibble incorporates everything an indoor cat wishes, after which some. The system is full of protein, 42%, which comes from venison meat, smoked salmon and bird meal, and consists of a bunch of wholesome, rich in nutrients and minerals elements consisting of legumes, veggies and culmination, including candy potatoes, peas, tomatoes, blueberries, raspberries and other. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wellness Core Pâté Indoor Wet Canned Cat Food. If your indoor cat prefers moist food, the core pate by way of wellness with bird and chicken liver may be the perfect method for your feline pet. Specifically designed for indoor cats, this moist cat food includes low stages of fats and protein, making it best for sedentary cat lifestyle. The core pate consists of a big selection of wholesome, delicious components, which includes hen and chicken liver, turkey, peas, cranberries, flaxseed and dried kelp, but is fairly low in energy, which makes it best for kitties who like to laze across the condominium. At number 3, we have the Wellness Core, registered sign, Indoor Dry Cat Food. Another core indoor cat meals via wellness, however this one dry and much higher in both protein and fat. With deboned chicken, turkey and chicken meal, this system is wealthy in protein but incorporates 10% much less calories than core original recipe. That is brilliant information for indoor cats who lead less energetic lives than their outdoorsy opposite numbers. The core indoor kibble is made from outstanding components, which besides meat include various vegetables and fruits that provide a nutritionally whole meal. Ingredients together with peas, potatoes, tomatoes, flaxseed, cranberries and chicory root extract are full of antioxidants and fiber, so vital for a sedentary cat lifestyle. At number 2, we have the Iams Proactive Health Indoor Weight Hairball Care. Specially formulated to meet the particular needs of indoor cats, the Iams Proactive Health Cat Food incorporates a host of healthy ingredients and beneficial supplements. The kibble is wealthy in protein thanks to chicken whole grains, and moderately wealthy in healthy fats weight to dried eggs, fish oil and other elements. Although it incorporates a gaggle of wholesome veggies and grains, this cat meals is decrease in energy while in comparison with Iams' original formulation with the aid of 10%. It's also filled with fiber for helpful digestion. And finally at number 1, we have the Purina Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers Gourmet Wet Cat Food. If you're looking to rack your kitty with a few scrumptious connoisseur cuisine, appearance no similarly than this cat food, the Fancy Feasts by way of Purina is a scrumptious mixture of your pussycat pet's favorite flavors, inclusive of bird, turkey and pork, all gradual cooked and served in tasty gravy. This moist cat meals functions chunks of small bites that aren't best crazy tasty, but nutritious too. The variety percent includes 3 extraordinary flavors, however every percent contains numerous dietary supplements that make the food balanced and healthy. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this cat food for indoor cats, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.